It's a little Halloween flavored print here, basically zombie girl. Nice flat model hung on the wall. Just basic colors to it. You've got white, silver and black, and kind of blended in to give a bit of extra shading on there, but yeah, like pretty nice. I might actually make another one of them, blow it up a bit. But yeah, once this cooled down, pull this off the bed and try some more Wallart. Okay, so I prized it off the bed, and surprisingly, the flip side to me, a lot smoother, a lot better looking. So yeah, you can put it somewhere. Flip it to the reverse side. Yay. There she goes. Yeah, had worse on a Friday night. A rather nice piece of art coming off here, Halloween themed. This one's called Zombie Girl, if I remember right. It's just 3 different colors. It was a grey, white and black. 3 separate files that kind of slot inside each other. I added some extra red just to give it some colour for a bit of blood there, and the eyes. They'll turn red as it carries on printing. So it was only 10 layers. I blew it up to fit the whole plate of the Kobra 3 Max. Gotta say, it looks pretty good. I'm quite impressed with it. It looked nice on the wall, especially for our Halloween party. Anyway, I'll show you it when it's complete. Finished print. Looking good.